Congratulations, now you've got the power to make incredible funnels. You have a really powerful funnel builder that you can use forever without paying any monthly or yearly fee. That's amazing. It's time to profit from funnels without paying a hefty recurring fee month after month. Your access is ready and waiting for you in the membership area. We've also got training to help you get started, but before we take you there, we want to grab a couple of minutes of your time to show you some really amazing enhancements that will make your business even more successful. So please put aside things for a moment and give us your attention, because what we have for you will help you do even better with your funnel marketing. Right now on this page, we have something really important. It's CloudFunnels Pro, the supercharged professional version of CloudFunnels that will make it 10 times more powerful. CloudFunnels Pro adds key enhancements that will help you get more leads, more sales, and make even more profit selling funnels to others. First thing, CloudFunnels Pro can be installed on 100 domains or subdomains. That's 85 more than CloudFunnels Elite. It's 6 times more domains. Remember, you have a commercial license for CloudFunnels. You can create funnels for others and get paid. But 15 funnels won't last long, will they? Get 100 funnels and you'll be able to take up a lot more clients, and just one client is enough to pay for all the funnels, so don't hold back. Next, there is something equally important. On the Elite version, CloudFunnels will show a branding tag that says powered by CloudFunnels. Sure, it doesn't get in the way. If you want to look like a pro though, you should get rid of it and upgrade to CloudFunnels Pro, because that does it. It upgrades your funnels to pro level and takes away our branding from your funnels. It's going to be easier to sell to your customers when they don't even know what software you used to create the funnels. Talk about selling. The Pro version also gives you one more amazing thing, a fantastic ready-made sales page. This is a 100% finished sales page with the copy, the layout, and the graphics all done for you. All you need to do is slap your PayPal button and you will get paid. The page is written by a copywriter who has done millions of dollars in sales, so you really need his professional touch. Upgrade to Pro and make it yours. Plus, you also get 2 years of free upgrade. You know, we'll be improving CloudFunnels. We'll be introducing fantastic new features, each of which is going to be worth more than the price of CloudFunnels Pro. Next year, you won't get any of them if you ignore Pro. Just don't do that. You'll also be losing the capability to make multiple funnels per domain. Yes, with CloudFunnels Pro, you can set up unlimited funnels on each domain, so you can have one website and many funnels. Imagine having unlimited funnels. That's what Pro offers you. That's not all. When you get Pro, we also make funnel marketing easier for you. You get a detailed guide that shows you step by step how to sell using funnels. All the tricks, all the secrets laid bare for you. And you also get a handbook which will give you 50 powerful funnel ideas. Yes, I'm talking about complete funnel workflows. You can tap into any of those ideas and set up something amazing. So listen up. Pro is something you just shouldn't lose. In our 8 years of experience, we found consistently that it's our Pro buyers who are the real winners. Get Pro and get even more results from CloudFunnels. Remember, your purchase is protected by our support and refund guarantee. Our live support is available around the clock to help you, and if you're not 100% satisfied with CloudFunnels Pro for any reason, just let us know within 30 days and we will give you a refund, no questions asked. Grab your Pro upgrade now. Tomorrow might be too late. We can only cater to a limited number of customers, and if we run out of space, we will have to either increase the price or reduce features. So you don't need to lose out. Get your CloudFunnels Pro, run it for a few days and keep it only if you like it. Click on the button below and make CloudFunnels Pro yours.